Today, we're going to explore our emotions, how we understand them, how they affect us, and how we can bring greater awareness to our emotional experiences. Emotions can sometimes feel like they're running the show, but by tuning into them mindfully, we can start to see them more clearly and handle them with greater ease. And so it begins. Find a comfortable seat, allowing your body to settle into the support beneath you. Let your shoulders relax, your hands gently rest in your lap. Close your eyes or soften your gaze, focusing on a single point in front of you. We'll start by taking 3 mindful breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold for a moment, then exhale slowly, releasing any tension. Again, inhale calmness and exhale into stillness. One more time. Breathe in deeply and exhale, feeling yourself fully arrive in this moment. Let's bring to mind a recent experience that sparked joy or happiness. Maybe it was a special occasion, a time spent with loved ones, or even just a beautiful sunset. Try to recall all the details you can: sights, sounds, smells. Let this experience come alive in your mind and body. As you hold on to this memory of joy, let's investigate it a little closer. What physical sensations do you notice? Maybe your shoulders feel relaxed, your breath is deeper, or there's a warmth in your chest. There's no right or wrong here. Just observe your own experience. Next, let's tune in to the mental state accompanying this physical sensation. Is your mind calm, active, or maybe at ease? Again, there's no right or wrong answer. Just familiarize yourself with the whole experience of joy. Now we'll do the same thing with a less pleasant experience. Don't worry, we won't delve into anything too intense. Think of a minor inconvenience: waiting in line, feeling frustrated navigating a crowded space. Just like with joy, investigate this experience in both your mind and your body. What physical sensations do you notice? And how does your mind feel? Rest with these observations for a few moments. Before we conclude, let's take a moment to reconnect with the body. Feel the solidity of your feet on the ground, the gentle support of the seat beneath you, and the rhythm of your breath. Let your awareness flow through your body, noticing any areas of softness, any spaces where tension has been released. Now let's take 3 more mindful breaths together. Inhale deeply, filling yourself with a sense of empowerment. Exhale, letting go of any lingering doubts. Again, inhale, resilience. And exhale, grounding yourself in this truth. One last time, breathe in your inner strength and exhale, feeling calm and confident. Remember, the key to understanding your emotions is awareness. By bringing mindfulness to your emotional experiences, you can begin to separate yourself from their power and cultivate a deeper connection to yourself.